Well, I forgot to start the camera, but my wheels are scotched and truck's in neutral, parking brakes on. I pulled the cat up here. I'm gonna see how my weight distribution is. Just a second. This was 9 inches. And it's still 9 inches. I need to come forward a little bit. I'll be right back. Well, it came down about a ½ inch when I moved the excavator forward, so I'm going to try this, take it easy. If I haven't got enough tongue weight, I'll just have to stop somewhere and move it, I guess. $55 miles an hour, everything is fine.